Is learning English tough for you?
Listen to this story till the end. Once there was a young boy named Arjun who lived in a small village. Arjun loved to dream big. He wanted to explore the world, talk to different people, and learn about new cultures. But there was one problem. Arjun didn't know English. Whenever he tried, the words felt strange and he often made mistakes. One day, Arjun met an old traveler named Mr. Roy in his village. Mr. Roy had been to many countries and spoke English fluently. Arjun shared his struggle with him. I want to learn English, Arjun said, but it feels so hard. I forget words, my grammar is poor, and I feel shy speaking in front of others. Mr. Roy smiled and replied, Arjun, learning English is like learning to ride a bicycle. It may seem tough at first, but once you practice, it becomes easy. Let me tell you a story about my own experience. When I was your age, Mr. Roy began, I was terrible at English too. I failed my exams, and my teacher said I couldn't do it, but I didn't give up. Instead, I changed the way I learned. First, Mr. Roy started small. Every day he learned 5 new English words and tried to use them in sentences. For example, if he learned the word beautiful, he would say, the sky is beautiful today. Slowly, he built his vocabulary. Next, he watched English stories with subtitles. At first, I didn't understand much, Mr. Roy laughed, but soon I started picking up common phrases like how are you and thank you. Then he practiced speaking without fear. I used to stand in front of a mirror and talk to myself. I even recorded my voice to listen to my mistakes. The more I practiced, the more confident I became. Finally, Mr. Roy read storybooks meant for children. The simple language helped me understand grammar and sentence structures without feeling overwhelmed. Arjun felt inspired by Mr. Roy's story. He decided to try the same steps. Every day, he learned a few new words, practiced speaking, and read simple stories. When he made mistakes, he didn't feel bad. Instead, he told himself, every mistake is a step forward. Within a few months, Arjun noticed a change. He could understand English songs, have small conversations, and even write short letters in English. His confidence grew, and soon English didn't feel tough anymore. So, friend, from here we get a lesson. Learning English or anything new feels tough only when you let fear stop you. But if you practice daily, stay patient, and keep believing in yourself, you can achieve anything. So, is learning English tough for you? Listen to Arjun's story and start your journey today. Take small steps, and one day you will look back and say, I did it. Now, your turn. What steps will you take to make English easy for you? Write them down and start today.